Good morning, children. This is B. Onkar, Social Studies teacher, Vijnan Bharati High School. Now I am going to teach 8th class Social Studies, that is 11th B, the national movement last phase 1919 to 1947. This is the second lesson. I send videos to all the students to about 11A. Now I am sending this one to all the students, those who are studying 8th standard. So last week we discussed about various important things in national movement, that is different stages in national movement. Now we are going to teach the remain last phase, that is called Gandhiji era or Gandhian period. When the Gandhiji was arrived, that is most important in this lesson. The first point, when Gandhiji arrival in India, or when Gandhiji arrival after studies to India, that is Gandhiji arrived in India in 1915 from South Africa. This is the most important. Gandhiji arrived from South Africa to India in 1915. So this is the most important thing. So when Gandhiji was arrived, he spent nearly 1 year to observe the national movement incidents in India. He is a famous great leader. Worldwide, a number of leaders are known his name and his mode of fighting and all the things. So he is a well-known leader, not only in India but also in the entire world. He knows why, because he started number of movements in Africa. So that's why all the people recognized worldwide he is a famous leader. But when he come to the in India in 1915, he take a lot of time, 1 year time, to observe the national movement and the conditions. What is the thing is going on in India. For that, after observation, first he started Champaran national movement. It means on favor of farmers, he started agitation. Why? Because Britishers are hand over the crop and they are giving the lesser amount to the farmers. At the time, the farmers gave total matter to the total issue to the Mahatma Gandhi. Then Mahatma Gandhi fought against Britishers and succeed in this Champaran movement. Later, Kheda movement. Afterwards, Ahmedabad Mill Workers movement. Three are succeed in 1917 and 1918. In these 2 years, he succeeded 2 movements. Later, he started Ahmedabad Mill Workers strike. Less wages are given by mill managers. So that's why he also fight against mill management and get it good salaries. And Kheda movement, this is also Bihar. This is to favor of farmers. He started, but these movements are succeeded in India, and he thinking positive way towards the national movement. And next one, Rowlatt Act and Jallianwala Bagh massacre. What the thing was happening here, we will see right now. Rowlatt Act and Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Rowlatt Act means Rowlatt Act, that is prepared by Britishers to suppress the national movement in India and to rule continuously to get more power, the Britishers, and to suppress the Indians. They started Rowlatt Act. Without cause, a person is suspected, then arrested and sent him to the prison, and they won't give the bail and they are ready to shoot, but nothing should be happen. So that is main theme of Rowlatt Act. So on behalf of Rowlatt Act, Hindu and Muslims both are united and fight against this one. And in 6th April 1919, as a day of national non-violent opposition of this act, at the time all the members said this is a devilish act. Especially Gandhiji, Mahatma Gandhi Jinnah said that it is a devilish act, that is Rowlatt Act. On behalf of Rowlatt Act, all the members gathered in Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar, and they talk about how to protest against the Rowlatt Act. So at the time, General O'Dwyer shooted without any previous caution. Shooted 400 members are killed in this incident. The Jallianwala Bagh is there in Amritsar in Punjab state. So the thing was happened in 13th April 1919. This is called Jallianwala Bagh Massacre. Jallianwala Bagh Massacre was happened on behalf of to give protest against the Rowlatt Act. So Hindu Muslims are united and they fight against the bad act, devilish act, Rowlatt Act. On behalf of that, General O'Dwyer was involved here. General O'Dwyer involved here, and he shooted. He ordered and shooted, and 400 members killed. Thousands of members are died in this incident. So this is very most important thing in this point of view.